Good morning! Ayan. Papunta na kami sa dagat. 5 o'clock. Darating na daw yung sundo ko in 5 minutes. So, malapit na ako. Punta ako sa gate. See you later, guys! Oh, good morning! Ayan, we're on the way to the sea. Very early still. But you know, I really wanted to stay in bed, but actually I'm excited. Okay, just enjoy the view, guys. We'll be at the yacht club in a few minutes. Actually, kung saan nang sumama kasi mapapagod ako. But you know, I never experienced, you know, yung makapagyate. Kasi napapanood ko lang ito sa mga movies. Then I'll experience it today. So excited, guys. See you. Now here is the Qingdao Yacht Club. So excited. Makaka-experience na ako makapagyate. Ayan na nga, guys, pababa na kami. Na-excite talaga ako pero hindi ko nakikita yung excitement ko. Hindi imagine. Makakasakay na ako ng ganyan. Sabi ko, nako. Still very early, guys. I think it's not 6 o'clock yet. See the sun, you know, has risen. So calm, so beautiful. So, ayan na nga, guys. Ayan, tumigil kami.
Isla daw kami, guys.
Sasakyan na. So,
andito daw yung bangka niya.
Ayan siya on the left.
So, titignan namin.
Oh, so beautiful. It's so nice. And then the sunrise. Basically, yun na. Ayan, nagre-ready na kami. Okay, we started to sail. See you later, guys. Enjoy sa panonood ng aming pangingisda. And we're gonna be on the nearest island. It's about it's about 1 hour and 30 minutes sailing. So bago kami makarating dun sa fishing area. See you later, guys. Yan na nga, guys. See, nakahuli kami. Ang laki ng peg. So exciting. I never expected that it's gonna be this fun. So my friend Liam got one too. Wow. So exciting. And guys, look what we caught. So exciting. Oh, yun na nga, guys. See you later. Salamat sa panonood.